Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Abhirup, your stock market trading and investment coach, and this is your channel ABD FinServ. You are watching Stockexpress, which runs every Tuesday and Thursday, and here in every episode we analyze the market and try to find out few profitable stocks for our swing and positional trading. We also review the performance of the stocks which we already identified in our previous episodes, and accordingly we update our short-term and mid-term portfolio which we are building here for you in this Stockexpress playlist of our ABD FinServ YouTube channel. So without wasting further time, let us start today's discussion. But before that, please note whatever being discussed here is only for case study and education purpose. Do not apply this analysis into live market without having proper trainings, guidance and risk management protocols, right? Okay guys, so if you remember, last Tuesday we discussed about Airtel and Bank of Baroda, and we have included these two stocks into our portfolio tracker, and I had already shared that portfolio tracker into our Telegram channel, right? Whoever is part of the Telegram channel, they already must have downloaded that tracker. So let's open the tracker first and let's see how we are positioned there. Okay, so this is the tracker we are maintaining, and you can see 19th April, last Tuesday, we added Bharti Airtel and Bank of Baroda, and we kept under observation so that whenever Bharti Airtel will go above 760, that will be our entry point, and for Bank of Baroda, whenever it will go above 120 level, then we will take a entry for both of this position. Okay, and on 19th April what we did, we also book a profit of our MHRIL stock, that was Club Mahindra, and we booked 10% profit in the stock. And HDFC we discussed 19th April, and we had revised our entry level, so we are waiting this HDFC to come up around 2260, and then again we will be making an entry. Okay, now it is under our observation and we are waiting for a perfect reversal. Okay, so that was the discussion till 19th April, that was last Tuesday. So now let's see how these stocks are, these three stocks, HDFC, Bharti Airtel and Bank of Baroda, is doing in the market today as on 21st April. Okay, so let me first make this entry. We will note it down here on 21st April for these stocks. Okay, okay guys, let's start from the top to bottom. First go to HDFC. Okay, so this is HDFC. It is already running a bearish run. Okay, and we discussed this level, at least 2260, this level the stock should come up, then that will be our entry point. Okay, not before that. But after 19th April what we saw reversal has already started. 20th and 21st, both of these days we have seen it is already started the reversal, and the volume is also quite okay. Okay, the volume you can see it is quite okay, so we have to be little bit more patient for HDFC. And you have to note here that HDFC is on its 52-week low level, and it is definitely expected from here that it will bounce back. Okay, so let us wait till 2260 level and then we can take an entry here in HDFC. Okay, so let us quickly make a point here in our tracker. what is the current market price going on? It's at 2230 level. Okay, so let us modify the date. Today is 21st April. We analyzed CMP is 2230. Okay, and we are waiting for the level to come at 2260. Okay, so that was HDFC, guys. Okay, MHRIL we already booked the profits, so this stock is no more in the discussion now. Maybe in future we will again consider that. Let's go to Bharti Airtel. Okay, so this is the chart of Bharti Airtel, the daily chart, and currently the market price is 738. Okay, and you can see it is taking support from 50-day moving average line. Yeah, it is kind of moving around 20-day and 50-day moving average and trying to take support. Okay, so for this stock also we will be waiting till our 760 level, and if everything goes well, then it will be a good breakout stocks for us, and we can definitely take entry after 760 level. Okay, so let us go back to our tracker, and we can mention that current market price is at 738, and we are waiting for reversal. This is for Bharti Airtel. Okay, now the last stock is Bank of Baroda. Let us quickly go to the chart of Bank of Baroda as well. Okay, so it is at 114. Bank of Baroda is at 114 level, and our entry should have been 120 level after 120. Okay, so this is also similarly moving around 50 days moving average and trying to take support, and today you can see it has made a green candle. It started moving up, and the volume is also quite good. Okay, volume is also quite good, so we can be hopeful that this stock will go up, and it can also be a good breakout stocks for us. After 120 level we will be taking the entry. Okay, if you want to know how we have identified this level 120, and for Bharti Airtel this 760, for that you can watch our Tuesday video. There we have discussed how these levels are important for these two stocks and why we are waiting for a perfect entry. Okay, okay, so let us update the tracker for Bank of Baroda also. On 21st April today, the CMP is around 114, and we are still waiting for the perfect reversal. Okay, so guys, we have updated our Stockexpress portfolio tracker. Whatever we have been observing these stocks and keeping under our radar, we have updated the status here till today. Okay, so Airtel and Bank of Baroda we have updated. By the way, have you joined our Telegram channel? No? Then I suggest to join the Telegram channel of AVD FinServ, because first of all you are going to get daily live market updates and other important information there, and secondly the joining is absolutely free. I have given the joining link in the description. If for any reason the link is not working, open your Telegram app, search for AVD FinServ, okay, and look for this AVD FinServ logo and join. Right? Okay, so let us quickly go back to our chart and see. Let us see how Nifty is doing. Okay, let us quickly analyze little bit of market. So as we have seen, Nifty is doing in real volatility in the market, and on 18th April, okay, on Monday, it created a big gap down, and it just touched 200-day moving average. The next day it was going well, it was moving up, and suddenly after 1:30 p.m. there was a news in the market on Russia and Ukraine war, and due to which market had fallen sharply and it came around 16,800 level. Okay, after that yesterday and also today it trying to bounce back. Yesterday it closed just near to 200-day moving average, and today it opened up with a gap up and it has closed on 17,400 level. Okay, you can say it is a good recovery, but we need to see whether tomorrow the market can sustain this level. Then we can say another little bit of upward movement we can expect from the market in coming days. Okay, so in coming days, coming episodes, we will also try to analyze more into the market along with the identifying profitable stocks, right? So today guys, we are not adding any more stocks into our portfolio because we already have kept under observation few of the stocks, and let us see how market goes and whether we are getting any entry here or not. Accordingly we will see, and we will try to find out few more profitable stocks for you on coming episode, that is Tuesday, next Tuesday. Okay guys, that's all for today. Hope you are liking these episodes of Stockexpress. If yes, then please like and share this video as much as possible. Also click the subscribe button so that you get this channel listed right there into your YouTube list, and it will be easy for you to find me out whenever you open YouTube next time. You can follow us on Facebook page and join Telegram channel by searching AVD FinServe. Links are also given in the description. If anyone wants to open Demat account for trading, please find the link of Zerodha in the description, right? Okay guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned with AVD FinServe, earn financial freedom and live a better life. Thank you very much.